Welcome! Get ready to discover a game-changing tool that will transform your creative workflow, the Advanced Bulk Mockup Generator. If you've ever spent hours opening PSD files, replacing smart objects, resizing designs, and exporting images one by one, you know how painfully repetitive that can be. Well, this tool changes everything. The Advanced Bulk Mockup Generator automates those boring, manual tasks into a lightning-fast, fully automated process, delivering perfect mockups in a fraction of the time. Whether you create product images for t-shirts, mugs, posters, packaging, or any other design, this tool gives you speed, precision, and professional consistency, helping you scale your business, impress your clients, and focus on what truly matters: creativity. Powerful features at a glance auto. Smart object detection instantly finds the correct smart object layers in your PSDs. No more digging through complex structures. Triple Fallback Smart Scaling ensures your design always covers the full area with no white edges or blank spaces. Scale options, fill or fit. Choose whether your design fills the entire space or fits proportionally for perfect alignment. Horizontal and vertical alignment controls. Precisely position your design, left, center, or right, top, middle, or bottom. Custom padding controls. Add spacing from any side, top, bottom, left, or right, for pixel-perfect placement. Batch PSD Processing. Handle one PSD or entire folders with hundreds of files at once. Support for single and double-sided mockups. Automatically insert front and back designs into the correct smart objects. Custom export options. Export your results as JPG, PNG, or even layered PSD files for full editing flexibility. Smart file naming. Add prefixes, suffixes, and custom tokens to organize your exports automatically. Progress tracking and cancel option. See real-time progress and stop the process anytime you want. 4 flexible working modes. Mode 1. One side, single PSD. Use one mockup file with a single smart object and multiple designs. Load your PSD, select your designs, and watch the tool create your mockups automatically. Mode 2. One side, multiple PSDs. Apply a single design across many mockups or multiple designs across multiple PSDs, all in one automated batch. Mode 3. Double side, single PSD. Perfect for items with 2 printable sides, like t-shirts, mugs, or books. Both designs are placed accurately into their smart objects every time. Mode 4. Double side, multiple PSDs. The ultimate batch mode. Process dozens or even hundreds of 2-sided mockups in one go, fully automated. The Advanced Bulk Mockup Generator isn't just another Photoshop plugin. It's your productivity powerhouse. It saves hours of repetitive work, guarantees consistent, professional results, and gives you the freedom to focus on creativity and growth. Stay with me until the end of this video to watch the full generation process in action and see how this tool can turn hours of work into just minutes. Enjoy the video and happy designing!